Next is trigonometric ratios. What are trigonometric ratios? How many types of trigonometric ratios are there? Let's see. If we compare two sides of a triangle, take a triangle ABC and angle theta is an acute angle and side AB is adjacent side and side BC is opposite side and side AC is hypotenuse and compare the two sides in the given triangle. So this is opposite, this is adjacent, hypotenuse. Compare the two sides of the given triangle. So if we compare and two sides, one opposite side to angle theta and hypotenuse. If we compare these two sides of a triangle, so this comparison is called with respect to angle theta, sine of angle theta. This simply says sine theta. So comparison between two sides, one opposite sides and hypotenuse with respect to angle theta is called sine of angle theta, simply says sine theta. So we get one trigonometric ratio sine theta equal to opposite side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Next one is if we compare another two sides, one side adjacent side, another next hypotenuse, we get another trigonometric ratios. See, adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse. If we compare these two sides, we get another trigonometric ratios cosine theta, cosine of angle theta, simply says cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent side to angle theta by hypotenuse. Next, if we compare another two sides, opposite side and adjacent side of angle theta, opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta, this comparison is called tangent of angle theta, tangent of angle theta, simply says tan theta. So these are the trigonometric ratios. First one sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse. Second one cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Third one tan theta, opposite sides are by adjacent sides. So another three trigonometric ratios are very simple. Another three trigonometric ratios are very simple. If we take the reciprocal of sin theta, means 1 by sin theta, this 1 by reciprocal is called nothing but cosecant of angle theta, simply says cosec theta. So we can write cosecant of angle theta as reciprocal means denominator will take in numerator take in denominator, hypotenuse by and opposite side of angle theta. Yes. Next one is reciprocal of cosecant of angle theta is nothing but secant of angle theta, simply says sec theta. This is the reciprocal of cos theta. Reciprocal means hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle theta. Next trigonometric ratios is reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is nothing but cotangent, is called cotangent of angle theta, simply cot theta. Cotangent of angle theta means adjacent side in numerator, adjacent side of angle theta by opposite side of angle theta. So these are the trigonometric ratios. Yes. Simply first, if you know first three trigonometric ratios, another three we can write as the reciprocal of first three. Sin theta's reciprocal is cosecant theta, cos theta's reciprocal is secant theta, tan theta's is reciprocal is cot theta. So these are the trigonometric ratios. Yes. Next one is trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. Angles are what? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we have to know what is the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. We have to get all trigonometric ratios values for some specific angles. So we don't need to by heart, and we have to follow. If we follow the one simple trick, then it will be very easy to remember the values for all these angles. See students, so this is very important. First of all, take 0 by 2, first one, and second continue like this in square root 1 by 2. Square root 2 by 2, square root 3 by 2, square root 4 by 2. This is a trick. From this trick we can find the values of sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree, if we take under root 0 by 2, we get the value of sine 0 degree. If we get under root 1 by 2, we get the value of sine 30 degree. If we take under root 2 by 2, this trick, from this trick we can find the value of sine 45 degree. If we take under root 3 by 2, we get the value of sine 60 degree. If we take under root 4 by 2, we get the value of sine 90 degree. So after getting sine values, it will be very simple to take cos values and tan values and remaining all. So see students, what is the trick? First of all, take square root 0 by 2. Square root 0 means simply 0 only. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 only. Yes. So sine 0 value we can take 0. Sine 0 value we can take 0. So from this trick we can find easily sine values. Next one is square root 1 by 2. Square root 1 is only 1. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 only. So sine 30 degree we can find. Sine 30 degree we can find 1 by 2. Next one is square root 2 by 4, 2 by 2. These two we can write as square root 2 into square root 2. 2 we can write nothing but square root 2 into square root 2. 1 square root 2 got 1 square root 2. Remaining is 1 by square root 2. So this will be the value of sine 45 degrees 1 by square root 2. For sine 60 degree, we have to divide square root 3 by 2. So square root 3 by 2 is only square root 3 by 2. So sine 60 degree we can find square root 3 by 2. So for sine 90 degree we have to divide square root 4 by 2. Square root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 by 2 is 1 only. 2 by 2 is 1 only. So sine 90 degree we can find as 1. From this trick, students, very simple. First of all, take square root 0 by 2 is 0 only. Square root 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. For sine 45 degree, square root 2 divided by 2. This is square root 2 by 2 is sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. For sine 60, divide square root 3 by 2. So the sine 60 value is square root 3 by 2 only. For sine 90 degree, square root 4 divided by 2. After solving we get 1. So sine 90 value is 1. Very simple. And next for cos, take reverse. For cos, after getting sine, we can find all values. We can fill the total table through these sine values. Simply see students, very easy. For cos 0, take last one. From last to first take. Yes, reverse take. For cos 0 take 1. Cos 0 and sin 90 both are equal. Yes, this is cos 0 value. For cos 30 degree, take second sin 60 second. Yes. Next for cos 45 degree, sin 45 degree, take same. Yes. From last to first. Yes. For last one take first, second last take second, third one take third, and second take second last. This is 1 by 2. So sin 30 degree is cos 60, both are same. Next cos 90 is what? This sin 0 is cos 90, both are equal. Very simple. After getting sin values, take cos values from last to first. The tan values. We know, students, tan is nothing but, tan theta is nothing but sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. If we divide sin by cos, we get tan value. So sin 0 value is what? 0. 0 by 1 is what? 0 only. So sin 0 and cos 0 divide, then we get tan value. So tan 0 is what? 0. Same like this, sin 30 by cos 30 is tan 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. These two get cancelled. Remaining is 1 by root 3. So sin tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Yes, next one, same. Sin by cos is tan. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Tan 45 is 1 by root 2. Both get cancelled. Remaining is 1. So tan 45 degree is 1 only. Next one, same sin by cos, we get tan. Sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is nothing but root 3. So tan 60 value is square root 3 only. Next one, sin by cos. Sin 90 by cos 90 is nothing but tan 90. Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. 1 by 0. Any number by 0 is not defined. Any number by 0 is not defined. So tan 90 degree is what? Not defined. Yes? Okay. Same like this. After all this, yes, we have to take the for getting cosec, take the reciprocal of, already we have done, sin is the, cosec is the reciprocal of sin. So for getting the cosec values, take the reciprocal of sin. So sin 0 is what? 0. Reciprocal of 0 is what? 1 by 0. We know 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. So write as cosec 0 is not defined. Next one is sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cosec 30 is what? Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. So cosec 30 degree is 2. Next one, sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. For cosec 45, take reciprocal of 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. So cosec 45 degree is what? Root 2. For cosec 60 degree, take the reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is what? 2 by root 3. Then we can write cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Next one, sin 90 is 1. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Cosec 90 is reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. So these are the cosec values. Same like this, for getting sec values, we have to take the reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos. Cos 0 is not 1. Reciprocal of 1. 1 by 1 is what? Only 1. So sec 0 is what? Value is what? 1 only. So cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of cos 30, root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. So cosec sec 30 is what? 2 by root 3. Next, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is what? Root 2 by 1 is nothing but square root 2 only. So sec 45 degree is square root 2. For sec 60 degree, cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, nothing but 2. So sec 60 degree is 2 only. Cos 90 degree is what? 0. Reciprocal of 90, 1 by 0 is nothing but undefined. So answer is sec 90 is not defined. Sec 90 is not defined. Yes. Next what? Cotangent. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So tan 0 is what? 0. Reciprocal of 0 is what? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So answer is not defined. Answer is not defined. Cot 0 is not defined. So next for tan 30, cot 30, take reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3 by 1 is nothing but square root 3. Yes. So cot 30 is square root 3. And next tan 45 is 1. For cot 45, reciprocal of 1 is what? 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. So cot 45 value is 1. Next, tan 60 is what? Root 3. Reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. So cos 60 value is what? 1 by root 3. Next, tan 90 is what? Not defined. Reciprocal of not defined is what? 0. 0 by 1. 1 by 0 means 0 by 1 is nothing but 0. So answer cot 90 degree is 0. So this is the process of finding the values of the trigonometric ratios. Very simple. We have to follow a trick, simple trick. Square root 0 by 2 for getting the sin 0 value. Square root 1 by 2 for getting the sin 30 value. Square root 2 by 2 for getting the sin 45 value. Square root 3 by 2 for getting the sin 60 value. Square root 4 by 2 for getting the sin 90 value. After getting sin values, take reverse for cos. Yes, then by comparing sin by cos, we get tan value. After getting these three, sin, cos, tan, and for cosec reciprocal, for cos reciprocal, for tan reciprocal. This is the method for finding the values of the trigonometric ratios.